Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about multiplication command in Mitsubishi Plc. How we can use the multiplication command in Mitsubishi Plc. Before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss the upcoming videos. So let's get started. I will open my GXWorks2 software and here we will create a new project. Click it OK. And here we will take a x0 contact for increment of the C0 and K20, and next row we will take the x1 and C10 and K20, and in next row we will use the x3, for example x3 contact, and next RST C0, and next we will choose x4 RST C10, and in next row we will choose move command, MOV move right, and next C0 into any D10 data register. Sorry, we write something wrong. We will move the data MOV C0 into D10, and contact we will take just close contact x9, sorry x9 not have, x7 can take, and also one more row you can take, and here you can move C10 into D20, and here now I like to multiply our these two data registers, means these two counter values we like to be multiply, and we will need the answer for continue, and here we will take the multiply command MUL when write, and after you can write the D10 data register multiply with D20, and answer you need in D30, and click enter, and here you can choose any close contact of x6, for example, any you can internal memory also you can take, and go to the sorry uh, where is the debug, oh, sorry, compile first, and after you can go to the simulation and close this dialog, and you can go in debug and give some increment at the C0. You can see this value is C0. Now I will give, for example, this 5 or 8 values now becomes, and now this at the D20 means C10 is not have any value. Now we will give the value at the D10. Yeah, this is D20. C10 we moves in the D20. So I give some value at the D20, and you can see this is the, for example, this is the 2 value when comes at the D20, and you can see the answer. 8 multiplied by 2, answer is 16. And again I will give the sum value, for example 3. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. And again if I will give the value, 8 multiplied by 4, his answer is 32. And how your value will be increased continuously, and your answer will be continuously changed, and this process will be repeated as your value comes at the C0, and also come which values comes at the C10. From field means this value when come after this data registers will be, this command will be multiply, look like calculator, multiply, and result gives to you the in next data register. And this next data register you can use in the next program, and you can use compare for something like to be, if any product is running with you, some two values coming from different conveyors, and you like to be multiply with these two datas, and after you like to see the answer. So this command is very useful for that program. And I hope guys you will be understand about this multiply command, how we can use in the Mitsubishi Plc. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.